Both gold and silver has dropped nicely, trading below the critical support levels at 1836 and 2100. Now, what is going to happen today? Which entries we should take? What should be the take profits and what should be the stop loss? We are going to analyze with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next analysis for gold will be up just before the US cash session. Do watch that also. Now let's start the day with gold. Now gold on the hourly charts is right now reflecting a reversal, and you can see after the downtrend, if you see such a candle, probably this is a indication of reversal. However, I will be watchful of 1827. If it breaks past 1827, I'll be looking forward to 1830, and then beyond that how far this could go. It can again come back till towards 1838, 1840 levels, but I'll be cautious there. And yes, right now it is looking forward to a reversal. If you look at the 2-hour charts, here also the stochastic was oversold. It is trying to bounce back from here, and the MACD is trying to converge. It is trading in red, but right now trading flat, and probably couple of green candles may make it converge again and cross over. The RSI is trading oversold, and if you look at the 3-hour charts here, on the 3-hour charts too, see on the 3-hour charts it is already trying to bounce back from here, these levels, but I'll be cautious till the time it trades below this zone at 1827. Once 1827 is taken here, probably we may see a little rise where it could try to reverse till towards 1830, first target. Beyond 1830, there is a little resistance at around 1834, 1836, which was a support previously, now will be a resistance there. Beyond that it will fly till towards 1842, 1845 levels, but let's wait and watch a little before we try to enter here. Look at the 3-hour stochastic. This is oversold, now trying to reverse from here, and see whenever such reversal happen, it probably tries to rise a little, retrace a little, and that is what is happening right now. It is trying to retrace back a little, which might take gold towards 1836, 1840 levels. Look at the MACD. The MACD on the 3-hour charts is just 4 candles away from the crossover, and right now probably it is trying to run parallel, or even if it tries to converge, it will try to take 3 to 4 candles for more to completely reverse and crossover, or else it may try to retrace back a bit and then drop again. Now look at the RSI is oversold and it is trying to reverse. Probably it may try to bounce back. Whenever RSI tries to trade in oversold zone or overbought zone, in general it tries to bounce back a little. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, similarly, see, first point we must not forget that here at 1825, either it can create a double top and then breaking this. In fact, 1827 levels may provide a little resistance. If it breaks that, then only we can confirm the second candle, which will be coming after couple of hours. That will confirm whether it is trying to break or reverse or not. Else it may continue dropping if it trades below this zone at 1815. If it breaks, we can expect another round of drop today. So this is what it appears. Between 1815 and 1825, we should not take a position here. If you look at the 4-hour chart, this is oversold and hence it may try to bounce back. MACD has just crossed over 3 candles back. This is the third candle. So a complete reversal from here, it requires more 2 to 3 green candles. Then yes, that may try to bring MACD again to crossover, and then it may trade in green. However, let's see what does it suggest. But between 1825 and 1815, I will not recommend you to trade here. Look at the 4-hour stochastic too. This is also oversold. Look at this, the previous lows. Look at this, these 3 lows. So consistently it is creating lower lows, indicating more bearishness here. And a reversal confirmation is only if it breaks past this zone, which will be at around 1850, 1860 levels. So I will be cautious till then. Now let's come back to the daily charts here. On the daily charts, another observation here is, see the previous candle and previous to previous candle. Almost double top is being maintained. It failed to go past 1860 levels and dropped nicely from here. Lower lows are being maintained. This is the first candle after this greener candle, and hence back to back greener candle, red candle, and then retracement candle. Probably we might not see, but because the size of the candle is bigger enough, we might see a little reversal till here 1836, 1840 levels or beyond. If it breaks 1840, then only you should consider this as bullish, which I think should not be the case. And yes, breaking 1815, we may see a little drop again, which might take it towards 1800. So what will happen throughout the day? We have almost 20 hours from now to trade throughout this window, and probably we might see it heading till towards 1836, 1840 levels, and from there again it may try to drop. That is one probability which I am looking forward to right now. And because this is the first red candle after this greener candle, and second candle must appear similar but a smaller body size like this, so probably we may be looking at 1800 today, and hence a good level to go short is at around 1836 levels. Now look at the daily stochastic. This is also oversold, looking upwards from here. MACD is trading in bearish note, wide and divergent. RSI hitting at the bottom here. Look at this, the lows it is trying to create on the daily charts. So probably I will be cautious today. Again, it can drop further. It can try to hit 1800 levels. If it drops below 1815, you can remain short. If it tries to trade above 1825, we can expect a little reversal till towards 1830 and 1836 levels. From there again it may try to drop. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Now look at the silver on the 2-hour charts. Here is the reversal and here is the support 2060. It is trying to retrace. So I will not say this is a reversal, but this is the retracement where 2090, 2100 levels should provide a very stronger support. Breaking 2100 only you should go long on silver today, where the targets are going to be 2120, 2140. Else till the time it trades below 2100, we have to be cautious. Now look at the 2-hour stochastic. This is also looking upwards. It was trading oversold, and if you look at the MACD, it is trying to cross over, and right now it is trading in a bearish note. And if you see RSI was oversold too, trying to reverse a bit. Now looking at the 3-hour charts, similarly on the 3-hour charts, you can find consistent red candle. This is the reversal on the 3-hour charts, taking the support at 2060. It is trying to bounce back. Only short entry today is below 2060 levels, and only long entry is beyond 2100. It appears it may try to hit 2090 and 2100 levels before it tries to drop. So this is one probability which appears may happen today. Also look at the 3-hour stochastic. This is oversold, trying to bounce back from here. That is what is the observation. MACD is trying to, it is trading in red, trying to converge, trying to cross over. If it crosses over, we may see a bull run. And if you see RSI, this is also oversold and trading in a oversold zone. Now coming back to the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, this is trying to show you a minor reversal, higher lows. So reversal here, probably now it may try to reverse back a bit. How high it could go? First resistance at around 2100 for the day. 2100, it will definitely be achieved, but once it trades beyond 2100 and specifically 2120, then only you should consider this as a reversal here, and it may try to go back till towards 2140, 2150 levels. Else till the time it trades below 2100, it may try to come back again till towards 2060 levels. Now look at the 4-hour stochastic. This is again looking downwards. It is oversold. MACD has just crossed over 5 candles back. It is trading in bearish note, trading divergent, and RSI is trading oversold here. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, after this retracement, this is the first red candle, and probably we can expect that it may try to give you a second red candle too. The body size, you can see the previous body size is almost of 100 points, you can say. And yes, if it breaks today beyond 2060, we can expect it to drop till towards 22,000 levels also. Not 22,000 but 2,000 levels also. But before that, it may try to retrace back till towards 2100, and from there a drop can be expected. Now look at this. It has created a flat bottom at 2070 here, and hence it might try to break this. It might try to break this. It might try to break 2060 also, and it can try to go back till towards 2040, 2030, and below levels it can try to give you equal or half the candle size. So that is why I say beyond 2070, 2230 levels should get 2020 levels should get achieved today itself, and I'll be cautious. Right now it is trying to reverse till towards 2100. Beyond 2100 it has got a chance, or it has got a scope to rise till towards 2120, and from there a drop can be expected. Probably a little rise and then a drop can be expected today. Take your positions accordingly. However, look at the daily stochastic. It is trading in an oversold position here. MACD it is trading in a bearish note and wide and divergent. RSI is oversold here consistently for so many days. Silver is trading oversold and it is still showing extreme weakness here. For the day 2070 you can go short, and 2060, 2040, 2030 levels can be seen today on the charts below 2070 levels, so go short there. And above 2100 you can go long, rather I will say above 2090 you can go long for 2100 and 2120. If it breaks 2120, then only we can consider that it is trying to act little bit bullish, else it may continue to drop from anywhere from 2100 to 2120 levels. It may try to drop again. That is my expectation. So take your positions accordingly. Right now it is appearing that it may try to hit 2100 first. That is probable in the first half itself. In few hours we might see it is trading at 2100, 2110, 2120 zones, and then followed with a drop that can be expected. So take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side for gold and silver. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to join my Telegram channel. Do not miss to join my mentorship course, and do not miss to join my VIP signal group. Reach out to me via Telegram or email. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.